In this video I will tell you about some new technology gadgets. If you like this type video, then subscribe my channel for more videos. Lumos Firefly. Lumos Firefly is the ultimate bike light system. Operating your ride with turn signals, brake lights, synchronized flashing and magnetic mounting. Designed to really ramp up your road safety. The versatile system easily mounts to your bicycle, offering far more information than regular bike lights. They can indicate where you are going and when you are slowing down, and because each one carries red, yellow and white diodes, it can act as either a front, rear end, or turn signal light. They also turn off automatically. Simply turn one Firefly off and the rest will follow. And because they have a magnetic mounting system, you can effortlessly pop them all in within seconds and remove them just as easily. And one of the greatest features of all, they recharge wirelessly with Qi and MagSafe charging standards, so no more proprietary cables. These lights are very amazing and you can easily buy this, because this is available on Amazon. Govee Neon LED Light. Getting a bit of glow to your rooms can change your mood as nothing else could. That's what the new LED strips from Govee actually do. Govee, as you know, has been pioneering some serious lighting solutions for your home, and this time around, we've got their new neon LED light strip with the Govee Neon LED strip light. Govee tries to revamp the concept of the old-school neon lights with some smart features. Today, we will be talking about our on-hand thoughts and first impressions of this cool LED neon light strip. The Govee Neon LED strip is a smart RGBIC-enabled home lighting solution after their jaw-dropping lighting gadgets. Govee Immersion TV Backlight and Flow Plus Smart Light Bar. Snap Lock Folding Knife. This Snap Lock model has a bead blast finish blade with a partially serrated cutting edge. The CRKT Snap Lock Folder took the knife world by storm when it won the Most Innovative Knife Award at the 2004 Blade Show. CRKT and designer Ed Van Ho are excited to revive this popular design and bring back the 180 swing opener. Take your EDC game up a notch with the tri and true CRKT Snap Lock. The Snap Lock was designed by custom knife maker Ed Van Ho for comfortable everyday carry. The rotating Snap Lock RSL has a cam locking system with two thumb wheels for ambidextrous use. Just press down on a thumb wheel and rotate the blade. The blade can rotate a full 360 degrees with the clip removed, or 180 degrees in either direction with the clip in place. The RSL Snap Lock knife offers stainless steel construction with a durable bead blast finish. Lex Wearable Bionic Chair. LEX is a bionic wearable that enhances posture, comfort, and life. It is designed to let you relax anywhere with a perfect sitting posture and protect your shoulders all on the move by making the backpack feels almost weightless. Simplicity is the essence of our design philosophy. We want the Lex to be easy to put on, wear and take off for a wide range of sex and age. It must be easy to put on as another piece of clothing. Many hours were spent to design the shape of the components and how to place them so it gives the wearer full freedom of movement. At the same time, we ensure that wearers can effortlessly put on the Lex. To wear the Lex, just 3 straps are needed to fit the Lex with your body just like a belt or backpack. POW Audio Mo Expandable Speaker. The POW Audio Mo speaker is the first speaker that can actually expand and collapse. The extra airspace this creates for the speakers helps give deeper bass and better overall sound. I think back to when I had subwoofers in my vehicle and you had to have enough air in the box to get the full potential out of these speakers. The ability for these POW audio speakers to expand and then collapse help give the best of both worlds. You get better sound when they are expanded, and when you're done you collapse. And they can fit in your pocket. We got one of each of the colors available into test. They come in both snow and graphite. To turn them on, simply hold the power button, then click the Bluetooth button and it will make it available for your phone to link up to. Samovar. Enjoy your favorite tea at its finest temperature with the amazing Samovar, the tea maker which is just right to make your taste buds happy with every sip. The Samovar machine was designed to keep your tea and your love for tea piping hot through the fruitiest, most exotic, delicious tea buying easy operation, just touching the on-off button. The classic style design adds timeless beauty to any kitchen, no matter your kitchen style. The Samovar was made from finest stainless steel and comfortable easy grip handles to protect your delicate fingers from heat. Its food-grade safe materials are crafted under very easy-to-use modern design rules. It is rotatable, fully equipped with keep warm function, boil dry and overheat protection, removable and washable infuser, and water window for a quick check. This is prime class quality. Samsung's stunning new projector. The Freestyle from Samsung is a small, portable projector that automatically adjusts to deliver the perfect picture on any flat surface. This new Samsung projector is about the size of a large can of soup. It automatically adjusts corners, focus and leveling, and includes 360-degree sound. It can display an image 30 inches to 100 inches diagonally in Full HD. And you can even scale and move the screen for precise placement, or to avoid an obstacle on the projection surface.